Which solution kills germs the most? By Juan Luis Elijah Cortes
and Joseph Valle.
The reason why we decided to do this experiment is because since COVID-19 is alive, we wanted to see which product kills bacteria and gets rid of germs most.
The products represent the cleaning supplies we use on a daily basis.
We wanted to experiment how strong these solutions are and which ones work the best to get rid of bacteria.
Understanding what we can use to get rid of germs is helpful during this time.
We hope this experiment helps people understand how bacteria can be everywhere.
We want to find out what solutions work best and to be prepared to have the most effective solution at home ready to use.
In this science experiment, we have chosen some common solutions that are at home and used by our families to see which get rid of germs and bacteria the most. Everyone has a favorite solution that they use, but we want to see which solution is the most effective. We will be testing surfaces in our home.
We will take pictures of surfaces with the special Glow Kit UV light before we spray this disinfectant solutions and after to see which solutions work best. We can't wait to see the results and share with everyone. This experiment is one of the first steps in our project because it is allowing us to document the results of our journal.
This experiment sounds like a lot of fun. Hey Joseph, what are some reasons we chose these following solutions?
Some of the reasons are soap has the ability to remove germs off your body and it helps you to stay clean. Water rinses off the soap so you don't create fungus from the soap on your body. Lysol spray can kill bacteria and viruses very efficiently.
True, just like how vinegar has the ability to kill nail funguses, ear infections, and pathogenic bacteria. And rubbing alcohol can also kill funguses and viruses but doesn't prevent their growth. And mouthwash kills bacteria that enters your mouth and stops it from staying there.
Pretty cool information.
Our prediction is that out of all these solutions, water, dish soap, disinfectant spray, alcohol, vinegar, mouthwash,
we believe that vinegar will be the most successful solution to eliminate germs due to its ability to get rid of germs very quickly and efficiently. Question: what materials did we use for the science project?
Good question, Joseph. The materials that we used in this science experiment were water, dish soap, disinfectant spray, alcohol, vinegar, mouthwash, paper towels, journal and pencils, camera, gloves, goggles, and a glow kit to see where the germs were.
Procedures of investigation. Experiment number 1, attempt 1.
In this experiment, we will be testing to see which solutions are the most effective to get rid of the germs the most.
Step 1. We rub the glow germ gel on our hands.
Step 2. We made the handprints with the gel on the tiles.
Step 3. We labeled all the handprints with each of the solutions on the tile.
We labeled each tile with each solution we would use to test each tile.
Step 5. We sprayed the solutions on each labeled print to see which solution would get rid of the germs best.
Step 6. We realized that this method was not working, so we tried a new way. Experiment 1, attempt 2. In our next experiment, we put latex gloves on and added the glow germ gel.
Step 2. We rubbed the glow germ gel on our gloves and tested it with the black light.
Step 3. We attempted to wash our gloved hands with each of the solutions, but we realized that the glow germ gel just smeared, so we had to try another way of experimenting.
Experiment 1, attempt 3. Step 1. Finally, we used a plastic container with a flat surface so everything could be steady.
Step 2. We put the glow germ gel on the container using our thumbs and pressing it onto the surface.
Step 3. We aligned 3 samples of our prints on top and 3 on the bottom.
Step 4. We labeled each print with a solution tag so that we would be able to identify which solution we used with each print.
Step 5. Afterwards, we got the spray bottles with the labeled solutions in it and sprayed the prints with each of the solutions.
Step 6. We washed each of the glow germ gel print, each with a napkin with a specific solution. Dish soap, water, mouthwash, Lysol, alcohol, and vinegar. Experiment 1 results.
We realized that on a plastic surface, the germs just spread even more with the following solutions: vinegar, alcohol, and Lysol, and the mouthwash. We only had two solutions that didn't spread as much as the others. Those were soap and water. Experiment 2, attempt 1.
We had rubbed the glow germ gel on our hands.
We then made 6 handprints on a countertop.
We then sprayed each solution on the handprints.
Step 4. We wiped each handprint off with a separate napkin.
Step 5. We turned off the lights and used a specific black flashlight to check all the germs.
Experiment 2 results. We realized that on a countertop, the results weren't similar. This time, all the solutions worked and took out most of the germs from the handprints. Our conclusion.
Our conclusion was not aligned with our hypothesis because we inferred that vinegar would be the most efficient substance to get rid of the germs. In conclusion, we realized that all the solutions worked and took most of the germs out. There is no need to spend lots of money.
Water and soap and water itself are the most effective and least costly of the solutions we tested. These simple items can be found in your household during COVID. There is no need to go crazy shopping for specific items to get rid of your germs in your home. Please feel free to ask us any questions.
Thank you, and don't forget to wash your hands.